So we're back at it again. We're at another scene and we are getting something to eat. I'm starving. So we're gonna go to Don Tacos. It's right over here on Broadway and 184th Street in Washington Heights in New York City. So we're gonna grab ourselves an order. I already placed my order and we're gonna go check out Don Tacos. Don Tacos. You gotta say it with an accent. Don Tacos. All right, so here we go. Erica Rodriguez and Don Tacos. And I'm about to get some grub, and we're gonna see how good these are. How do we meet?
You were trying to take my parking spot.
Right, I was trying to take her parking spot, and then I was like, okay, you can have it.
And I was like, all right, you sure? Like, no, I'm sure. All right,
Yeah,
I'll take it.
Yeah, and I gave it to her, and found out she runs this taco spot here, and we're gonna check them out.
So I ordered the steak tacos.
I'm here with my daughter. Say hi, Kennedy. We're gonna go check out Bike Lane on Jamaica Avenue. And here we go. Run. Thank you very much. Yeah, we'll have to see about which one we're gonna get you. We're looking at longboards. Some cool stuff. And Kennedy, you want a skateboard?
Yeah.
It was here actually a few years ago.
Yo.
Something else.
Yo, my God, look at that.
Look at that spinning wheel.
I know the wheels do spin. Alright, here she is. I want to take her on a nice little ride right now, but I can't. She's huge, she's long. Look at that. Cool. I haven't been on one of these in a very long time. So like the most important thing about like what I'm trying to do as far as to change my photography and everything like that is to this campaign that I'm running called Shoot Every Day. Hashtag shoot every day. Shoot every day meaning get your camera out, your iPhone, whatever it is that you got, and shoot every day. The only way you're gonna get better at something is if you continually do it every single day. So if you take your cameras out, you take your iPhones out, your Samsungs or whatever you got, shoot every day. Do it like your life depended on it. Every single day. And that way you get better at it. And that's what I'm gonna do. I intend to get better at it. Even though I think I'm in a place where sometimes I think I might be good at what I do, but in reality, that's just like not thinking forward, you know? Thinking that I have it all, thinking I have it all. It's not. It doesn't work that way. Kennedy, come on. All right, so right now we're in Sonic and Kennedy's hungry. Kennedy, what are you getting to eat?
Hot dogs.
Okay, Kennedy's getting a hot dog from Sonic. I am getting that right there. That what you see is a double cheeseburger from Sonic. Yeah, so we're eating Sonic food right now.
Spicy.
Spicy? You don't want it? I'm gonna wipe all of the mustard. Oh, the mustard just fell on me. Alright, try it again. I wiped it off. Good? Fine.